My dear friends, once again welcome to Sur Sangam Reflections from Jaipur. Today, I am going to reflect with you about that great personality called Mahatma Gandhi, namely the great soul. He was born on 2nd of October 1869, and that day is celebrated not only as day of the father of the nation, but also of the International Day of Peace and Non-Violence. And this matters most to us because he has left a legacy of the soul, not merely what he did and how he gained us independence. Perhaps we would have gained independence even otherwise after some time. But much more than that, he gave to the world something that was different. That is the reason the great scientist Einstein said that the generations would hardly believe that a person like him ever walked on the top of this earth. Because what he did was unimaginable. People like Hitler had conquered the whole world and ultimately failed. And there were many other great conquerors who believed in violence, but they did not achieve a long time thing. But Mahatma Gandhi actually did not aim for that. He believed in the voice of the conscience. That is exactly what he wanted. Not only for us to get independence in India, but for the whole world to accept that non-violence and the truthfulness which he propagated and for which he lived. He lived that according to the way he lived in South Africa, fighting for the rights of the people. He came to India and he did the same thing. And not only that, he identified with the people of India, with their poverty, with the way they lived. And that is exactly what he taught us. The truth tells us that is the only way we can live. Dear friends, as we are celebrating this day, let us ask ourselves, are we living according to this legacy? Do we really want such a thing? We are living in a digital world. We have achieved much, but we have not achieved what we should achieve as human beings. Because we still hate people. We still show to people that we don't love you. We are not ready to forgive each other. When that happens, my dear friends, then we fail this man as the father of the nation. That should not happen. I think Gandhi is not only a past, but the present as well and our future. He tells us deep down to listen to the voice of conscience and try to help not only ourselves, but everyone else living in this world to live peacefully and joyfully, accepting each other, forgiving each other, loving one another, and living in harmony. That is exactly what we need to do. So, let us celebrate this day, not merely as a holiday, but the day of reflection. Thank you and God bless you.
इस समय देश को एक दिशा देने की जरूरत है जवाहर।
आप ठीक कह रहे हैं बाबू।
मेरा नाम सुषमा है। हम आपके साथ देश सेवा करना चाहते हैं।
अकेला आदमी हमेशा मारा जाता है, इसलिए एकजुट होने में ही शक्ति है। साथ भारत में सब समान होंगे, सबका बराबर का अधिकार होगा। तैयार हो जाइए संघर्ष के लिए।
जाने